Part 3 begins with truth. America is divided because millions feel abandoned. Today, we explore why without judgment. When hospitals close, when specialists disappear, when families wait months for help, anger grows. Not from hate from being forgotten. Many didn't choose MAGA out of hate. They chose it because they felt ignored by both parties. They wanted someone to fight for them. Abandonment creates desperation, and desperation shapes politics. The disability funding gap is a national wound. Rural families wait months or years for evaluations. Urban families wait weeks. That difference fuels frustration and shapes beliefs. A door everlasting listens to everyone. MAGA supporters, Democrats, independents, all are welcome. Healing begins with listening, not labeling. America is angry because America is hurting. Rural families are tired of being ignored. Disabled people are tired of waiting years for help. Neurodivergent children are tired of endless waitlists. Funding failures created this divide. This is a door everlasting, spectrum of love, awareness, acceptance, advocacy. Part 4 is next, how we heal.